with Neptune swiftness. Away!
A tornado warning for Central Seminole County and East Central Florida until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sanford, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sanford around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sanford Airport. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.